Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting the controller and making the PC recognize it. Plug in wired first or pair via Bluetooth, then open Steam and enable controller support in Settings so Steam can map inputs. Once done, make sure Windows shows the device in Device Manager and update drivers if needed. This prevents input lag or missing buttons. You want the OS and Steam to agree on the controller before launching Jump Force, so mappings won't conflict when you continue. Next, you configure Steam input per game to force consistent mappings. Open Jump Force's properties, set controller override to enable Steam input, and then open controller configuration. You can load a standard gamepad template or create custom bindings for combos and camera because native support varies. Once done, test each button and analog stick in big picture to confirm actions like dash and ultimate trigger correctly. If axes feel off, tweak dead zones and sensitivity so inputs are precise during combat. Finally, launch Jump Force from Steam and immediately verify controls in the character select and training modes. You should see the Steam overlay and confirm that dodge, punch, and ultimate trigger as expected. If not, use the overlay to remap without quitting. If issues persist, switch to a different USB cable or repair Bluetooth, reinstall the controller driver, and close apps that capture controllers. One key troubleshooting tip: disable any third-party input mappers, DS4 Windows, ReWASD, because they often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.